Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Rev Marie. Hope everyone is doing well. Happy Saturday, the day after Halloween, 1st of the month, 1st of November. All right, I have a card from the Angel Number Oracle deck. And which card should we get today? Let's dig in. Maybe this one. Let's see what that one is. Oops, if I can get it. Oh, we pulled this one not that long ago. 444. Trust your journey. Trust the way your life unfolds, and trust that you're where you need to be at the present moment. I am protected. When we get numbers that keep repeating, coming up, we need to pay special attention. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have an awesome day, a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.